Challenge Factory has an ability to create the kind of traction we need to get to the next watershed that will change how we think about the world of work and how we think about what it means to be human. And I think that there's a really deep connection between Lisa's ability and her and Challenge Factory's ability to ask deeply meaningful questions, very pertinent to what it means to be human these days, what it means to have a purpose, what it means to live well in these times.